In today's video, I'm going to teach you Skrill, how to reactivate deleted account, reopen closed account. To get started, open your web browser and go to the official Skrill website. Once the homepage loads, look for the login button and click it. This is the first place to check, because before contacting support, it helps to confirm the current status of the account directly from the sign-in page. On the login screen, enter your registered email address and password, then click Login. At this point, pay close attention to any message Skrill shows you. This can help you understand whether the account is temporarily restricted, closed, or permanently deleted. That distinction matters because the next step depends on what Skrill allows you to do. If you can't access the account normally, use the password recovery option. Click Forgot Password, then enter your registered email address. Skrill will send instructions to your email, so open your inbox and carefully follow the reset steps provided. This is useful if the issue is simply related to login access rather than a fully closed account. If your account has been closed and you still cannot get in, the next step is to contact Skrill support. Go to the Skrill Help Center and sign in if that's still possible. From there, submit a support request explaining clearly that you want to reactivate or reopen your account. When writing your request, make sure you include the email address linked to the account, your full name, your date of birth, and the reason you're asking for reactivation. Clear and accurate information can help reduce delays during the review process. Skrill may also ask you to complete identity verification. If that happens, be ready to provide documents such as a government-issued ID, proof of address, and any additional account information they request. It's a good idea to submit everything promptly and make sure the documents are clear and up to date, since incomplete verification can slow things down. After that, you'll need to wait for Skrill's decision. Once they review your request, they'll determine whether the account can be reactivated. In some cases, the account is reopened. In others, Skrill may ask for more verification. And in some situations, the request may be denied based on their account closure policies. If Skrill confirms that your old account cannot be reopened, the final step is to create a new account only if they instruct you to do so. Follow Skrill's guidance carefully, use accurate personal information, and complete identity verification as required. That's the full process for trying to reactivate or reopen a closed Skrill account.